Oh, okay. I just want to do a quick little video of everybody hanging out together. Today's bath day. It's so much fun. This is everybody, all puppies from all litters, sold and not sold. So, you know, available and not available. But they're just so darn cute, I couldn't resist. In a little while, as soon as everybody gets baths and whatnot, I'm going to get it all updated. You know, puppies and videos, each litter. But in the meantime, this is the gang, guys. What are you talking about? Oh, rawr. They're following around the pen. Goodness gracious. Oh, my goodness. And see my big boy. He's my handsome Hercules. He's just a brute. I'm telling you, he is so big compared to everybody else. So, yeah, he's so awesome, though. So, he went to the vet yesterday and doing just fine. So, everybody's doing good. Him and Monty both. Was their vet visit yesterday. But, anyway. This is everybody. It's 3 litters. And I'll show you who's available. I'll do each litter, you know, available ones here in a little while. What are you looking at? Hercules. He just told me about it. Who is that? Is that you, Ralph? I think that's Ralph talking to me. There's Ralph is spoken for. There's little Miss Sophie, and what a perfect name. She's spoken for. Hercules has people coming to visit him today, so he may be spoken for little boy's birthday. Aren't you so cute? Now, I don't know if that's Coco. Who are you? No, that's Baxter. That's Mr. Baxter, so darn cute. Yeah, a little tail tip. Let's see. Who else do we recognize in this gang of kids? This may or may not be. One of these girls is Coco. I just don't know which one. They look so darn much alike. They're like the opposite. They're like twins, but the opposite. Like one, they both have a white leg, but one's on the left and one's on the right. Their markings are very similar, just cute as a pie. And one, yeah, I see you, pretty girl. One of them is still available, and the other one's name is Coco. I don't know if that's Coco or not. I don't know. We'll know when I look to see which arm is white for Coco. All right, that's kind of boring now. This is, who is that little beauty? I think that's Maddie. Is that Maddie? Don't quote me, y'all. It may or may not be Maddie. Maddie and one other look similar, but I'm pretty sure that's you. Well, I don't know. Yeah, that's Maddie. No way around it. I said, no way in the world. That's Green Ribbon. There's Ralph right there. Mr. Ralph. All right, guys. I know this is boring, but I couldn't resist when I bent over. I was like, oh, my God, how darn cute is that? Everybody, like, stopped and was looking up at me. I was like, oh, that's a cute little video. All right. So far, let me just do a quick update here. We have 4 party doodles, which is the white with chocolate marking, still available. There's 2 boys and 2 girls. Absolutely gorgeous kids. Let me think of... Okay, forget it. I thought I was going to update you, but my brain just stopped. Okay, and then 1 chocolate girl. That's in that litter. And let's see. Ladies' litter is spoken for. So that leaves Lacey's. And 3 of them are spoken for. So that don't help you at all, does it? It'll be on the website. Sorry, guys. All right, have a great day. So great Saturday.